Everybody, good morning. Meteorologist Travis Klineski here on this Tuesday morning, where we have seen some scattered showers and thunderstorms around the area this morning, particularly right in here. And probably now, as of the time of this recording, the most widespread area of rain is right in here, from south of North Platte into northwest Kansas here. And this is going to be pushing eastward with time today. So we'll see some scattered showers and thunderstorms, mainly of the non-severe variety, but there again could be some lightning and thunder from time to time. Meanwhile, a cold front is going to be sinking southward, and as that does so, that's going to slide in some slightly cooler air as well. So with the extra clouds around, the rain around, plus it's a mild start, but with the cold front, it's not going to be as warm today as it was yesterday for most of us. Eastern Nebraska right in here, especially with some sun, that's probably some of the warmest air we'll see. Later today, those showers and isolated thunderstorms push eastward, and the best chance of showers and thunderstorms becoming strong to severe is going to be right in here in far eastern and southeastern parts of our area near that frontal boundary. That chance lasts through about 8 or 9 o'clock at the latest. After that, that all moves on out of here. The rest of us should be seeing a pretty quiet evening and overnight tonight as skies clear out, high pressure builds in. Now tomorrow, I don't have it drawn in here, but there is a frontal boundary that's going to come through here. Now, ahead of it though, we're going to see some breezy southeast winds. I'm just going to take this out very slowly through about noon. Again, there's not much happening tomorrow. It's going to be a sunny day, but it is going to heat up tomorrow. But I do want to turn your attention, if you look towards Alliance to Thedford to Norfolk, there is going to be a cold front that sags south. I didn't draw it in here just because I didn't have time to build that part of the graphic this morning, but there's a cold front sinking southward. So while it's going to be pretty toasty in the south tomorrow, a little bit cooler in the north. Still warm, but cooler temperatures in the north. And as we get into the end of the afternoon again, you can kind of see it. I could just roughly draw in the front, kind of right in here. So a little cooler up north compared to the south. That front continues to dive southward, but no moisture with it, just a few clouds, but no moisture with it Wednesday night into Thursday morning. So we'll see temperatures drop off just a little bit on Thursday, as I'll show you here in just a bit. But there is this chance of severe weather later on today here, and this is mainly going to be later this afternoon, early this evening in eastern Nebraska. Most of us will not see severe weather today. A low-wind marginal risk right in here includes places like Lincoln, Fremont, Seward, down towards just the edge of Hebron. And then from Beatrice eastward, there is a slight risk of severe storms, just a slightly better chance of severe weather. There is the hail threat, and again, best in that slight risk area. There's the wind threat, same thing, best in that slight risk area. The tornado threat's pretty low, mainly confined to far southeast portions of Nebraska. There is a low-end chance of an isolated tornado. Temperatures will be cooler for most of us today. A lot of 70s out there behind that front, a little warmer out ahead of it in the low and mid 80s. Warmest temperatures where there's the best chance of sunshine right in here in eastern Nebraska. Lows tonight will be cooler. This morning we're in the 60s. Tomorrow morning we'll be in the 50s. So cooler air settling in, but it's going to heat right back up tomorrow. Now notice though a difference up north, not quite as warm. Still warm, 80s, but we've got heat in the south. That front right here, I could just kind of roughly draw it. Oh, I apologize for that. I was going to draw that in here and I just skipped to the wrong graphic. Apologize. I clicked the wrong button and I did not mean to do that. So let me back up real quick here to the right graphic here. I apologize for that. It happens sometimes. I just happen to tap on the wrong thing here, but let's draw in a front now. And again, roughly in there tomorrow afternoon. So you can see the difference here where it's going to be pretty toasty, mid 90s in southwest Nebraska, northern Kansas, near 90 in the Tri-Cities, Lincoln, North Platte, and then cooler but still warm 80s to the north. Tomorrow night 50s and lower 60s, and then temperatures, they come down just a little bit on Thursday, still warm, low and mid 80s for most of us for your day on Thursday as those temperatures kind of trend downward towards the end of the week and into the upcoming weekend. But after today, kind of a dry Wednesday, Thursday, most of Friday will be dry too, but afternoon into the evening hours, a chance of rain and thunderstorms. That chance will continue Saturday into Saturday night. Most of Sunday, most of Monday will be dry, but warm, not hot. Slight chance of rain and thunderstorms on Monday. It looks like early next week, temperatures a little cooler, but then they'll start to trend back up later on next week. North Platte, not a lot of big differences other than that the rain chance is mainly going to be confined to before the mid-morning hours, so 9 a.m. or earlier. Rain and isolated thunder. Heating up tomorrow, a little cooler on Thursday, and then temperatures kind of trending downward a little bit Thursday, Friday into the weekend here. There's your rain and thunderstorms. Maybe a slightly better chance of rain and thunderstorms here Friday night through Saturday night. And then we're pretty much dry most of Sunday and Monday, and then a slight chance of rain and thunderstorms Monday there, but mostly dry. As temperatures again come down a little bit, but then they start to come back up a little bit later on next week by next Wednesday and Thursday. So with that, that's all I have for you for today. I am going to be off the rest of this week here, so Ian will be filling in for me the rest of this week with the forecast here, and I will be back with you on Monday morning. So I hope you have a wonderful next several days ahead of you, and I will see you all again next week. Talk to you later. God bless.